Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Christmas is the perfect time to bring a little extra warmth, joy and magic into our home, and today we are going to focus on one of the most important places in the house, the kitchen. Your kitchen does not need to be huge or expensive to look beautiful for Christmas. With a few simple decorations, some creativity and a little festive spirit, you can turn your everyday kitchen into a cozy Christmas space. So let's explore some beautiful and Christmas special kitchen decoration ideas. Let's begin with the kitchen counter. The counter is one of the easiest place to decorate because even a few simple touches can make a big difference. You can place a small Christmas tree, a festive candle or a decorative tray on the counter. Add a few Christmas inspired pieces such as little stars, bells, pines and etc. If you have an empty corner, you can create a small Christmas display there. Remember, you don't need to cover every surface. Sometimes keeping the decoration simple make the kitchen look more even elegant. Decorate the kitchen shelf. Next, let's explore the shelf. Kitchen shelves are perfect for display Christmas counter while still keeping the space practical. You can add small Christmas signs, miniature trees, decorative mugs, little houses, or festive ornaments. If you have open shelf, try mixing your normal kitchen item with Christmas decoration. For example, place a festive mug beside your everyday cup or add a small Christmas tree between your dishes. One of my favorite way to decorate a Christmas kitchen is with greenery. You can use pine branches, artificial garland, or other simply greenery. Place a small garland along a shelf, window, cabinet, or countertop. You can also add small decorative berries or ornament to the greenery. Greenery instantly gives the kitchen a fresh and festive appearance. And the best part is that you can use a little bit of it and still create a beautiful effect. Now let's move to the kitchen table. A simple Christmas centerpiece can completely change the look of your dining and kitchen area. Start with a tray or a simple centerpiece. Add greenery or candles, small ornaments, or a Christmas tree. You can also place festive napkins or Christmas theme dishes around the table. If you want more natural look, use wooden decorative greenery ideas. The goal is to create a warm space where your family can enjoy meals and spend time during the Christmas season. Here is a fun idea. Create a small Christmas drink corner. Choose one small area of your kitchen and turn it into a festive coffee or hot chocolate station. Place your favorite mug or small tray and few Christmas decoration together. You can add a little sign, some candy canes, or small jars of for an extra festive touch. This little corner can become one of the cutest part of your kitchen. Don't forget the kitchen window are another great place for simple Christmas decoration. You can hang small stars, snowflakes, ornament, or a lightweight garland. A few decoration around the window can make the whole kitchen feel most festive. If you have a window sill, you can place small Christmas trees, candles, or little decorative houses there. Place your favorite mug, a small tray, and a few Christmas decorations together, and imagine enjoying a warm drink here with your family. Keep the design simple so that the window still feels open and bright. Bye.